How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, tap open your Instagram account. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. For this, you need to click on the DM section at the top and just go ahead and select on our account. Then, to turn on the vanish mode, you actually do the swipe up. This means you are currently in the vanish mode. Now, to turn off the vanish mode, all you need to do is basically swipe it down. This is how you'll be able to turn off the vanish mode on your Instagram. If such option is not available for your account, this means you need an update. In order to do so, you need to check out your Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search icon and search for the option of Instagram. After that, just tap on your Instagram account. From here, make sure if you find any of the update button, just tap on update. Then try the process again. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.